If you're having problems with your Adobe fonts, I'm going to show you the simplest way to fix it. As you can see, I have some text written in the Anton font, but since the font isn't installed on my computer, I'm getting a missing font warning. I actually activated this font through the Adobe Fonts platform, so this problem shouldn't happen. Luckily, the solution is simple. This issue usually happens because of a sync error between Adobe's servers and your computer. The easiest fix is to simply log out of your Adobe Creative Cloud account and then log back in. Open the Creative Cloud app, click your profile picture, and at the bottom, click Sign Out to log out of your account. If, like me, you have open programs, they will close when you do this. Then, log back into your Creative Cloud account. Give it a short moment to sync with the servers. And you're done. Now, you can use your fonts again. One important note. This fix only solves sync issues between your computer and Adobe's servers. If you have a different cause for the problem, this solution might not help. If that's the case, tell me about your problem in the comments, and I'll try to help you find the right fix. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.